medieval times. Alchemy was written within the context of chemistry. But that was
well,
and then there was the guy after him,
Ray Combs. Those are the lines.
And that's your woman voice.
That's my woman voice.
I'm trying to, be healthier.
No, I want the real answer, Fred. Don't bullshit me. Improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out. You want to get anywhere. You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game. And let me ask you that, was it easier having...
So cool. You have any movie posters?
Greta Thunberg!
We're just waiting for John to get in the room.
What's the craziest thing you ever said in an elevator?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted.
Fish again. That fucking fish again, okay? You ever met a Jehovah's Witness? Is there anything you'd like to plug or mention? Tell me about that.
to the open mic, and you would make drop-in guest appearance.
Yeah.
And you would go on stage and you would do these spontaneous 1 minute to 3 minutes, just these funny, absurd, live singing music. It was just catchy, uplifting.
I think.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.